If you're here for the first time, welcome to the home of all things data analytics. For our regular subscribers, we are glad to have you back. Today, we will be talking about. Let's talk about what SQL Join is. In SQL, join is a clause that is used to combine rows from two or more tables based on a related column between them. And in SQL join, we have four major joins, and they are left join, right join, inner join, and full outer join. Let's define them one after the other. The left join is retrieving all data from the left table and the corresponding from the right table, while the right join is retrieving all data from the right table and the corresponding from the left. Inner join is the retrieving of all data that are corresponding from both tables. What is common here and what is common here. Anything after that, it's not retrieved based on the inner join. Now, when we talk about the full outer join is retrieving all data from both the left and the right table. Why do we use join? And how do you know which is the left table? How do you know which is the right table? How do you know its application to this? Now, let me tell you this. Just take, for instance, your manager tells you to go pull the list of all customers and the product they bought today. Now, listen again, the list of all customers and the product they bought today. If you do select all from the customers table, because you have mentioned the customers table first, so which means you are going to call the left join, because the first table you mentioned becomes the left table, and the second table you mentioned becomes the right table. So if I say select all from the customers table, left join the others, meaning it's going to give me the list of all customers and it's going to give me what every customer ordered. So which means any customer who never ordered anything is going to show null. That means that customer never bought anything that day. Now, when we talk about inner join, if I say select all from the customer table, inner join the others table, meaning it is only customers who bought something that day that we will. We have 12 customers and only 4 bought something, which means it's only 4 of those that is going to get. So at the end of the day, we will be getting just 4 rows and everything they actually bought. Now, when we talk about the right join, so if I do select all from customers table, right join others, so it's going to give me all others and only the customers who actually bought something as the correspondent. So all others for that day, and any customer who never bought anything will be showing null. If I say give me select from customers table, full outer join others table, it gives me all others and all customers, meaning whether the customer bought or not, everything is being extracted. So that is the concept of joins, and it's very, very important. On a daily basis, we use join to extract and do a whole lot of reporting. There is no way you want to do reporting that you will not go through what we call the join. In the place of work, it's easy to just write a select statement from one table. And I want you to know that sometimes you have to go beyond left join, right join, inner join, and full outer join. That is what we call the self join, and that is also what we call the cross join. Well, these cases are rare. They are not something we do all the time. But for self join, means, as the name implies, you are joining the same table maybe twice, 3 times. It depends on what you're trying to extract. These are ways of giving an appropriate report on a daily basis to your manager, to anyone who actually asks for this. So joins are very, very important. They are so pertinent to reporting, and it's something that you will always, on a daily basis, lay your hands on. If you look at the screen, we also have some cases where we also filter these joins. For example, I can say select all from a table and left join certain table where the certain part of the first table is null, meaning that when you are doing that, those customers who never bought anything are the ones you are trying to call. But if it's not null, meaning that customers who actually bought something, those are the people you call get the actual bought. That's it for today. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment. And if you want to keep learning, check out the other videos we have here on our channel.